If you're looking for a good quality backpack for either college or high school, this is the MAXTOP Direct Bag. 15-inch laptop fits in here. Actually gave this to my son. He takes it to school and he's got all his books in here. Let me show you the inside of the bag. So we've got kind of this flush look on the front. A lot of backpacks have like a lot of bells and whistles on here. This is basically just a flat look. And then right here, we've got one single pouch in the front. Of course, he's got his pencil pouch and you've got one on this side as well. So that's it as far as the exterior. So if we go inside, you'll see right here, we've got our laptop. We've got all of our books. So if I were to take these out, take all that out of there, pretty deep. And then on the inside here, you're gonna have another zipper pocket. This pocket goes all the way down to the bottom, so it's pretty deep. Accessories, wallet, phone, credit cards. You got a mesh pocket right here. And again, we've got a 15-inch laptop in here. And you get a little bit of padding right here. It's not a ton of padding, I will say. Pretty decent padding there, so it feels pretty comfortable. And then here is where you're gonna put you're gonna hook your connect your power bank. That's gonna sit down inside the bag, and then you can plug in your devices externally. Quality of the zipper is actually pretty good. I'm feeling very confident about that. A lot of times these zippers, they slip, they blow apart. And at that point, it's like, hey, the bag might be the greatest thing in the world, but if the zippers don't work, you might as well just throw the bag out. Everybody loves to have the black bag because it kind of goes with everything. There are bags on the market that hold a lot more than this, but you know, if you're a minimalist and you just want your laptop, maybe a tablet and some books and a pencil pouch, this is gonna work fine for you. Very comfortable, real durable canvas. The zippers are quality, so this is gonna make a great college bag or a great high school bag. Definitely pick this one up and check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.